Show Nana. Picture of Nana. Show.
Any pop?
Ask her to get Dad.
Jenny pop?
Get the picture of Dad. Get the picture of Dad. She's going back. See that? Where's Daddy? No, find him quickly.
Daddy.
No, very good. Oh, Daddy.
Any pop?
No, Pop. We've no pictures of you. You'll have to smile for a photo. And where's Mommy? Where's the picture of Mommy?
No.
Where is the picture of Mommy? Oh, Mommy. Is Mommy in a picture with Hannah?
Very
good. Well done.
You are amazing, you know that?
But I mean,
Mommy.
that should be an ad for...
It's very good, isn't it?